Welcome back to Automatic Addiction. Lexus TZ 2025/2026, everything you should know. A fresh wave of Lexus electric vehicles will be available soon. And perhaps it will begin with this SUV. Lexus presently has one electric vehicle, the RZ. The brand aims to be entirely electrified by 2030. That suggests that many new Lexus electric vehicles will be introduced in the coming years to replace gasoline-powered models. A new TZ crossover may be on its way soon. Toyota applied for trademarks in Europe for the Lexus TZ450e and Lexus TZ550e. The trademark refers to the Lexus EV designation. His current electric vehicle is the RZ450e. The 450e and 550e designations indicate that there will be basic and more powerful variants. The RZ is roughly the size of an RX crossover. Our best bet is that the TZ will be a three-row vehicle comparable to the new TX. Toyota showcased electric car concepts in 2021, including a Tacoma that appears electric. One of the cars presented is the Lexus Electrified SUV, which looks like a three-row crossover. The vehicle resembles the Toyota BZ Big SUV, which was also on display. Prices for the 2026 Lexus TZ are projected to start around $60,000 for the base TZ450e and rise to $68,000 for the higher-spec TZ550e. Toyota revealed in a policy and management direction announcement that it will begin production of a three-row electric SUV in April 2023. The car will be produced in North Carolina and delivered in 2025. We don't know if Toyota is producing a Lexus version there. However, the TX is connected to the Toyota Grand Highlander. It would be surprising if Toyota did not intend for a Lexus version. We do not know yet. Toyota and Lexus plan to launch advanced EV platforms with next-generation batteries in 2026. The TZ might be part of that wave of new automobiles. The project may also precede the new platform, entering the market before the vehicle in 2025. Toyota's trademark filings provide insight into the upcoming Lexus model, albeit it has yet to be formally unveiled. The Lexus TZ will be a luxurious electric version of Toyota's planned BZ5X SUVs. They may share a basis, but the Lexus will have a distinct Lexus feel. The TZ, like the recently revealed Lexus TX, may be available in the TZ450e and TZ550e trim levels.